Have you ever wondered why two identical Audi engines, driven by different people, can age in completely different ways? Have you ever asked yourself how an engine that feels smooth, silent, and powerful can still be slowly wearing itself down without showing a single warning light? Have you ever noticed that many serious engine problems don't appear suddenly, but develop quietly over time, long before the driver becomes aware of them? And have you ever considered that some of the habits you believe are good for your Audi might actually be the ones increasing long-term mechanical stress? If you want to truly understand how modern cars work beyond what the manual tells you, subscribe to the channel now. Each episode reveals hidden systems, overlooked technologies, and driving habits that quietly change the way your car behaves over time. Most Audi owners believe that engine damage comes from abuse. High revs, aggressive acceleration, reckless driving, or constant redline operation. In reality, many Audi engines do not fail because of extreme behavior. They fail because of everyday driving habits that feel normal, careful, and even responsible. Audi engines are engineered with very tight tolerances, advanced thermal management, and complex electronic control systems. These elements deliver performance and efficiency, but they also make the engine highly sensitive to how it is treated day after day. One of the most common habits that quietly damages Audi engines is repeated short-distance driving with a cold engine. Starting the car, driving for a few minutes, and shutting it off before the engine reaches full operating temperature prevents oil from reaching optimal viscosity. Moisture accumulates inside the crankcase, fuel dilution increases, and internal components experience uneven expansion. From the driver's seat, everything feels fine. The engine sounds normal, response feels smooth, and no warning lights appear. Internally, however, wear slowly increasing with every cold shutdown. Another widely misunderstood habit is driving at very low engine speeds while applying significant throttle. Many drivers believe that keeping RPMs low is always good for the engine. In modern Audi turbocharged engines, this can be harmful. Applying heavy load at low RPM forces the engine to produce high torque before oil pressure, airflow, and combustion stability are fully optimized. Bearings, connecting rods, and turbo components experience higher stress during these conditions. The engine does not protest immediately. There is no noise, no vibration, no alert. The damage accumulates gradually, making it difficult to associate future problems with this seemingly gentle habit. Extended idling during warm-up is another behavior that feels protective but often isn't. Many drivers let their Audi idle for long periods before driving, believing this helps the engine warm up safely. Modern Audi engines are designed to reach optimal operating temperature under light load, not prolonged idling. Extended idle delays oil circulation efficiency, increases fuel dilution, and slows down catalytic converter heating. The engine reaches temperature more slowly, and internal lubrication remains suboptimal for longer than necessary. At the opposite extreme, aggressive driving immediately after startup is equally damaging. Cold oil is thicker and flows less efficiently through narrow passages. Revving the engine, accelerating hard, or driving dynamically before oil temperature stabilizes increases friction and wear on internal components. Audi engines are robust, but they are not immune to physics. Damage from cold operation does not happen instantly. It builds up quietly, often revealing itself only after years of use. Inconsistent throttle behavior is another silent contributor to long-term wear. Rapid on-off throttle inputs, especially in stop-and-go traffic, force the engine management system to constantly adjust fuel delivery, boost pressure, and ignition timing. This creates fluctuating loads and thermal stress inside the engine. Audi powertrains are engineered to operate most efficiently under smooth, progressive inputs. Drivers who maintain steady throttle application allow the engine to operate in a more stable state, reducing unnecessary internal correction. Start-stop systems are another area where driver behavior plays a role. Many drivers assume frequent restarts are inherently harmful. Audi's start-stop system is designed to avoid shutdowns when conditions are unfavorable, such as low oil temperature or insufficient battery charge. However, aggressive acceleration immediately after restart or constantly forcing the system on and off through driving style can reduce these protections. The engine experiences repeated transitions without sufficient stabilization, increasing cumulative stress over time. Driving mode usage also influences long-term engine health. Constantly driving in the most aggressive mode keeps the engine and transmission in a reactive state, holding higher RPMs and increasing thermal load. While this is not immediately harmful, using dynamic modes in situations that do not require them prevents the engine from operating in its most efficient range. Audi engines benefit from variation. Balanced use of comfort, auto, and dynamic modes allows systems to recalibrate and manage stress more effectively. Another habit that quietly increases is shutting the engine off immediately after sustained high-load driving. After highway speeds, spirited driving, or climbing long inclines, internal temperatures remain elevated. Shutting the engine down immediately stops oil circulation while heat is still concentrated in critical areas, especially in turbocharged engines. Even a short period of gentle driving before shutdown helps stabilize temperatures and protect internal components. Audi systems manage cooling intelligently, but driver behavior still matters. Over-reliance on warning lights is another modern misconception. Many drivers believe that if no warning appears, the engine must be healthy. Audi engines are equipped with advanced monitoring systems, but not all forms of trigger alerts. Gradual oil degradation, carbon buildup, and thermal fatigue often develop below warning thresholds. By the time a warning light appears, damage may already be advanced. Driving consistency also plays a significant role. Audi engine control units adapt to driver behavior over time. When driving patterns are erratic, the system constantly recalibrates fuel mapping, boost levels, and timing. This increases computational and mechanical adjustments, placing additional stress on components. Smooth, predictable driving allows the engine management system to operate with fewer corrections, improving long-term efficiency and reliability. Another overlooked factor is avoiding higher RPM operation entirely. Some drivers never allow the engine to rev freely, believing this protects it. In reality, occasional operation across a wider RPM range helps maintain proper combustion, exhaust flow, and valve movement. Audi engines are designed to be used across their operating range. Constantly limiting the engine to a narrow band can contribute to carbon buildup and reduced efficiency over time. High electrical load during low-speed driving is another subtle contributor. Maximum climate control usage, heated seats, and other electrical demands place additional load on the engine, especially during short trips. While Audi systems manage this intelligently, combining high electrical demand with cold operation increases overall stress on the powertrain. What makes these habits dangerous is not their immediate effect, but their cumulative impact. Each behavior feels harmless on its own. Repeated daily, they quietly shorten engine lifespan. Audi engines rarely fail suddenly. They degrade gradually, often without clear symptoms until problems become unavoidable. Understanding this shifts the way you think about engine care. Engine protection is not about driving slowly or aggressively. It is about managing temperature, load, and consistency. Audi engineering is designed to work with the driver, but it relies on informed behavior to deliver long-term reliability. This is why two identical Audi engines can have very different lifespans. The difference is not luck. It is habit. Audi engines do not punish drivers immediately. They remember,